G'day tappers, tap dance down under. Carrying on with beginner steps, shuffles and side step. Here we go. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, let's just move the camera down onto the feet. Okay, I'll face the back so you can follow exactly as if we're in a live class. So shuffle, spongy knees, aim for clean, crisp hit of the floor, but do not force it. Shuffle, beat, forward and back, shuffle, beat. Can we have 4 of those? 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Right, one more time. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4. Good. Now, the side step. Start out doing just beat, beat. Tap, step, beat, beat. 1, 2. Tap, step, beat, beat. 1, 2. Try that. 2 of those. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. However, I prefer to go flat. Tap, step, flat, flat. Beat, beat, tap, step, flat, flat. And notice I say flat instead of stand. So when you're doing your flat, tap, step, just lift your foot up and let it come down, flat, flat. Don't put any pressure. Just let body weight and gravity combine to make the sound. So 2 side steps. 5, 6, 7, 8. 1 and 2. Okay, here we go. 4 shuffle beats, 2 side steps. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay, let's do it twice and let's speed it up a fraction. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. Okay, facing the camera, do it with me, and I will go mirror fashion, so I will start on the left. 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 and 2. And 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 2, 2. Okay, that's all for today. Work on those 2 steps and we shall see you next lesson. Thank you.